I hacked the no internet dinosaur waiting game. Whenever you've lost your internet connection, this game pops up. And while it is fun to play normally, did you know that you can actually use code to make it play itself? Here's how. In the game, you can either right click and press inspect or press Ctrl-Shift-I. On this page, you can look at code and do other adjustments, but if you press console up at the top, it takes you to this page where you can actually write code in JavaScript. It's pretty cool. But for our purposes, we want to override the game over function on the no internet game. So how do we do this? Well, we start out by typing runner dot instance underscore dot game over equals parentheses arrow and then for parentheses, which essentially overrides the game over function. So now when we play the game, it plays itself.
And also, if you're wondering what happens when you pass 99,999 points, well, the game adds a digit.